Is your 2009-2016 Toyota Venza key fob struggling to lock, unlock, or trigger the panic alarm? A weak or dead battery is the likely culprit. Replacing it is a simple DIY task, saving you time and money compared to a dealership visit. This video will guide you through each step. As of December 2025, this process remains unchanged since the Venza's original design and requires no programming afterwards. Your Toyota Venza key fob uses a specific battery, the CR232, a 3-volt lithium coin cell battery. This battery measures 20 millimeters in diameter and 3.2 millimeters thick, making it easy to identify. It provides 3 volts and uses lithium technology for reliable power. Look for the CR2032 marking, positive sign, and lithium battery label on quality batteries. Avoid cheaper, unbranded alternatives as they may leak acid and damage your key fob. These batteries are widely available at most drugstores, supermarkets, and online retailers for just a few dollars each. This is the type of battery that powers your Toyota Venza key fob. For this replacement, you'll need a small flathead screwdriver to open the key fob. Optionally, a plastic pry tool can help prevent scratches to the fob casing. Having a soft cloth or paper towel handy is also useful to wipe away any dirt or corrosion. Locate the small sliding release button on the back of your key fob. Gently slide the button to release the emergency key or access panel. Once released, use the flathead screwdriver or plastic pry tool to carefully separate the two halves of the fob. Avoid forcing it, as this could damage the casing. Note, some corrosion or stickiness might occur. Try lubricating if this happens. With the key fob open, locate the CR2032 battery inside. Take note of its orientation, with the positive side marked by a plus symbol facing up and the negative side with a minus symbol facing down. Using the flathead screwdriver, gently pry under the edge of the old battery to lift it out. Be careful not to damage the battery contacts. Take the new CR2032 battery and insert it into the compartment. Ensure the positive side, marked with a plus, faces up and the negative side faces down, matching the original orientation. Carefully align the two halves of the key fob casing, making sure all internal components are properly positioned. Press the two halves back together firmly until they snap securely into place. Check that there are no visible gaps around the edges. Slide the release button back into its original position to lock the fob closed. Test all buttons to confirm the new battery is working correctly. If your key fob isn't working after battery replacement, double-check the battery orientation to ensure correct polarity. Inspect the battery contacts for any corrosion. Clean corroded contacts with a cotton swab and rubbing alcohol if necessary. Avoid touching the battery with your bare fingers, as natural oils can reduce its lifespan. If you are still experiencing issues after these steps, you may need to consult a professional for further assistance. Dispose of the old CR2032 battery responsibly. Many stores offer battery recycling programs where you can drop off used batteries for proper recycling. Consider using rechargeable CR2032 batteries for future replacements. These eco-friendly options can last longer and help reduce electronic waste compared to disposable batteries. As older Venzas age, parts may become scarce, but DIY maintenance will remain a cost-effective option. While app-based remotes may eventually replace physical fobs, for now, a simple battery change keeps your Venza key fob functioning reliably.